In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a segment in Brevo. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Brevo's website. This is where it all starts. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. As you do this, make sure your login details are correct to proceed smoothly. Now that you're logged in, we're ready to get started with creating a segment. Head over to the Contacts section in your Brevo account. It's typically located within the main navigation panel of the site, making it easy to find this essential feature. In the Contacts area, you're going to want to click on Segments. This is where all your segment-related activities will take place, allowing you to manage, modify, and create new segments. At this point, you'll notice a Create a Segment button. Go ahead and click on that to begin the process. You've got a couple of options to work with here, so let's go through them. The first option is to use a predefined segment template. Brevo has a selection of templates that cater to various segmentation needs based on common criteria such as engagement, purchase history, or demographics. These templates provide a great starting point, especially if you're new to segmentation or looking for a quick and easy solution. However, if you have specific criteria in mind, you can define your own conditions. This offers you the flexibility to tailor your segment precisely to your needs. You can add filters based on contact attributes like location or birthday, which can be particularly useful for targeted marketing. Furthermore, you have the option to use email campaign engagement metrics such as opens and clicks, or consider SMS campaign engagement, product purchase history, or other relevant criteria. This level of personalization allows you to craft segments that are highly relevant to your audience. Once you're happy with your selections and have defined the necessary criteria to form your segment, don't forget to save your work. Saving the segment ensures that it's ready for you to use in future campaigns and makes sure you don't lose any of the customizations you've worked on. And there you have it. You've just created a new segment in Brevo, paving the way for more personalized and effective communication with your contacts. Remember, segmenting your contacts is a powerful strategy that can significantly boost the impact of your marketing efforts. Just keep exploring the features Brevo offers, and you'll continue to find new ways to connect with your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy